A new day begins.
It's my time.
Blue dump truck is carrying stones. Oh no! Stones fell over the speed bump.
Hey!
Yellow dump truck behind didn't dodge and tripped. It hit the fire hydrant and street lamp. Poor thing. Quick,
What are you
let's
doing?
rescue it. Hey!
Help me! What happened? It's a disappear. I got it. Let's go. It's my time. What's next?
Red dump truck brings parts.
Come here. Let's go. Wow. Hey, you.
Dump truck.
Transformation. Are you ready?
Huh? Let's start assembling.
Hi.
First the front.
Cool. Wow. What's next? Wow! It's amazing. Come here.
Then the base. Next the body.
Hey, you.
Now the wheels.
Okay. Yeah!
Finally the crane arm. The crane is ready.
So nice. Transformation.
Crane truck.
Good job. Look at this.
Crane, help the dump truck.
Help me! Help me! Let's go. Okay.
Huh?
It's my time.
First, hold the street lamp.
Very nice. What's next?
Then install the fire hydrant.
Wow! It's my time. Yeah!
Hey!
Are you ready?
Finally fix the dump truck's wheels and body.
It's amazing.
Thank you very much. Rescue successful.
Come here. Okay. Hi, guys. Okay. It's amazing. It's so nice. Good job. I like it. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.